So we're building out our games room here. So we're redoing everything from the ceiling, the walls, the flooring. We're building gaming tables, gaming chairs, gaming accessories for both role-playing games, board games, etc. And of course, one of the things we need is artwork for the walls. So I thought, a pub sign would be great. So I started thinking about different pub signs I could do. And I had a long list of ideas for pub signs. But I got a little carried away and I ended up making 4, and I may make more yet, but we did 4. So we did the Winnie the Pooh, we did a Lord of the Rings, we did a Star Trek, and we did a Star Wars pub sign. So a lot of the pub signs you see are like the Fox and the Hound, the Dog and the Duck, traditional English pubs. And one day I was scrolling through the interwebs and I saw a cartoon that indicated that Pooh Bear had ate Piglet for the bacon. And I thought, that's a great idea and would make a great pub sign. So we did one, the Bear and the Bacon, as a pub sign. I loved the idea. So we did it in a brown background, 100-acre woods with the green. And then hand-painted the Pooh and the Piglet. I'll show you quickly how we did the design on it. We do that on the computer and then transfer it to the CNC machine. Once it's all done, we spray paint it, and then we painted it. Some of it we did with a roller, and my wife did some of it by hand. And there we have our first of the pub signs, the Bear and the Bacon. She's an expert painter. That's why I hired her.
The pay is terrible, though.
What do you mean the pay's terrible? I give you loves and kisses?
Yeah, it pays me in loves and kisses.
She was the 1987 painting champion for toll painting.
Oh, good God. That's such a bunch of bullshit.
They don't know that.
Oh, they do now, because I just told everybody.
Okay. Star Wars. Can't go wrong with Star Wars. So what would be a pub sign based on the Empire side instead? We thought one for stormtroopers. So we did the Bullseye Bar and Grill for stormtroopers, serving Sarlacc Pit Punch. And of course stormtroopers always miss, so we thought the Bullseye was a great idea. We threw some shots in there that obviously they've taken some pot shots at the sign, but again, their aiming isn't too good. The painting was all done with a roller, so quick and easy. We first spray painted the background with the black. We did the black and white theme for Evil Empire with the white stormtrooper and the red bullseye. So I wanted to do a Lord of the Rings sign, but I didn't want to do like everybody else did. I saw a bunch online that were all, you know, the prancing pony, the green dragon, and all the common ones that you normally see. And I thought, what if the orcs had a pub? What would they do? So I came up with the Greasy Haunch. I thought that was a good name for an orc pub. And so I took a few pieces of board, I glued them together, I beat the crap out of them, got a big sliver doing it, and then just painted it by hand. Had some leather strapping that I joined the two pieces together, and a quick and dirty orc sign for their pub. Almost no tools used. Star Trek security personnel. The red shirts that we all love to make fun of because they always die. So we did the Last Call Lounge because we figured that was appropriate for a Star Trek security officer. Did the logo with the shaped around. We did the gold trim. Well, first we did the back in red because we thought that was perfect for the red shirts. With the gold trim for the badge. And then we did a silver for the rest of the lettering because we figured that was, you know, wanted that metallic look to it. And again, carved on the CNC machine, designed on the computer, and our Star Trek. So I've been thinking about doing some more pub signs too. So if you have some ideas for pub signs, put them in the comments below, and maybe we can work together and build a pub sign based on your idea. So let me know which one of these pub signs is your favorite. Put it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.